Understanding impartial decision, a key to fairness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches upon fairness and justice in communication and decision-making, impartial decision. Understanding this concept is crucial for both personal and professional growth. So, let's unravel the meaning and importance of making impartial decisions together. An impartial decision is one that is made without favoritism or bias towards any side or party involved in a situation. This means the decision-maker does not let personal feelings, prejudices, or preferences influence the outcome. Instead, the decision is based on objective criteria and fairness. The word impartial itself combines I am not with partial, favoring one side, literally meaning not biased or one-sided. It's all about being fair, neutral, and just. Impartiality is the cornerstone of fairness. It ensures that decisions are made based on merit, facts, and equality. This is particularly vital in legal and judicial systems, where the outcomes affect people's lives and freedoms. Workplace environments, where fairness in promotions, task assignments, and conflict resolution fosters a positive and productive work culture. Educational institutions, ensuring that all students have equal opportunities to succeed. Impartial decisions help build trust, respect, and credibility, both for individuals making those decisions and for the institutions they represent. Making impartial decisions isn't always easy, but here are some tips to help. 1. Recognize your biases. Being aware of your own biases is the first step toward overcoming them. 2. Gather all facts. Make decisions based on a comprehensive understanding of the situation. 3. Consider multiple perspectives. Look at the situation from different angles to ensure a well-rounded view. 4. Set clear criteria. Base your decisions on predetermined, objective criteria. 5. Seek advice. When in doubt, consulting with others can provide new insights and help balance your viewpoint. Impartial decisions aren't just for judges or leaders. They play a crucial role in everyday life, such as resolving conflicts among friends or family in a fair manner, choosing team members for a project based on skills rather than personal preference, giving feedback that is constructive, fair, and based on observable facts rather than feelings. By practicing impartiality in our daily lives, we contribute to a more just and equitable society. Thank you for joining us to explore the vital concept of making an impartial decision. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of fairness and objectivity in our decisions. Remember, the path to impartiality begins with awareness and a commitment to fairness. Let's strive to make unbiased decisions that reflect the best in us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.